Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to set up your Mailchimp app integration in CoachZippy. You'll find API integrations for over 20 apps in CoachZippy, and you can check this video to get an overview of the API integrations in CoachZippy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Mailchimp. So I'm logged into my CoachZippy account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and it'll open up this section with several quick links. Let me scroll down. Next, click on Connect Apps, which will take you to the integrations page. You'll see these three tabs here. Go to the Autoresponders tab and click on the Integrate Now button for the Mailchimp app. It'll take you to this page. Scroll down and click on Connect Your App. You will be redirected to the Mailchimp integration page. And here we'll need an API key for Mailchimp. So let's head over to Mailchimp. I'm logged into my Mailchimp account, and this is a brand new account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and choose Profile. It'll bring you to this overview page. From this menu here, under Extras, choose API Keys, and it'll bring you to this page. If you don't see any API keys here, scroll down and click on Create a Key, and it will automatically generate an API key. If you scroll down, here you'll find your API key. So I'll just copy it, Control-C, and now let's head back to CoachZippy. Enter an app name here in this box. It can be anything you choose. And next, enter your API key, which we just got from Mailchimp. And finally, click Connect. You'll get a notification that your app has been successfully saved. And if we go back to the app integrations page, under Autoresponders, you'll see that for Mailchimp, you now have one account connected. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. Look for my other CoachZippy tutorials, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.